Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to drink ginseng and wolfberry tea. Steep 1 tablespoon ginseng and 1 tablespoon wolfberry in 2 cups of hot water for 10 minutes, then strain. Sip slowly to assess effects and avoid overconsumption. Drink 1 cup daily or every other day depending on tolerance and body response. Consult a healthcare provider if you take medications or have chronic conditions before making this a routine. Prepare your herbs with care for the best flavor and benefits. Use filtered water heated to just below boiling and gently crush dried ginseng roots and wolfberries to release their flavors without overpowdering. For a milder, smoother cup, try a 6 to 8 hour cold soak in the refrigerator instead of hot steeping. Adjust quantities to taste and keep a tasting journal to note what strength you prefer. Timing matters when enjoying ginseng and wolfberry tea to make the most of its gentle energizing and calming qualities. Prefer drinking in the morning or early afternoon so mild stimulation does not affect sleep. Serve warm for comfort or chilled for refreshment. Honey or a squeeze of lemon brightens the flavor. Keep consumption to 1 to 2 cups daily unless a healthcare professional recommends otherwise for your situation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.